Look at the view, it's so nice. Waiting for the sunrise. 6:12 a.m. Mount Parawagan. I'm with Beef.
What's up?
Yep, Beef finally joined us. Glad to have him here. We have Ron, of course, there.
Yeah.
The ever strong Ron who paces us.
Age is just a number.
Yeah, we were pushed. Okay, Mount Parawagan, beautiful place. It's a playground of trail runners. You know, weekend warriors, weekend runners. Even the elites come here. All sorts of runners. Mostly trail runners. Can also be hiked. Fun fact, it's a historical mountain. You've seen a lot, especially during World War II. This trail you can see here, it's a military line for supplies. The Americans, Filipinos, hand in hand, trying to fend off the Japanese. It's 1945, a lot of bombings here. Seen everything. Pretty much this area, Wawa, you see a lot of treasures buried here. You know, from armor, swords, even gold. There's still treasures that's left unearthed, but they're being protected. If you ever find one, see one, you need to hand it over. Check out the view. Okay, we got Choi and Rock over there. Just waiting for the others.
Good morning.
Morning. This is Cha and Keiko.
Hi. Hi, Jean.
Right. There's Ain, finally. He's here. She's here, rather.
First day on the trail after a year.
Yeah, you're doing well.
Oh my gosh.
You made it this point. Second rep, going up again. Spent so much time on taking pictures top. Well, why do we come back? You know, for some people it's a gym, it's a church. Some it's a mistress. You know, come here every Sunday, spend a lot of time, sometimes the whole day. We have to understand why. These are just so amazing. People are so great. The energy you feel, it's an amazing experience. Right, Choi? Yeah.
We're glad to be back here. After a year of being close to the outsiders, the urge to come back is strong. We hope that everyone finally realized that the outdoors is a fun and safe place to be. We have to understand that most of us are wired to nature. This is our solace. We're in this together.